They say androids do not make mistakes. They say they operate strictly according to protocol. People say many things, but none of them were on the planet Tal Errum that day when the android Vega landed there. The planet is old, almost forgotten, the central archive of an ancient civilization that vanished without a trace. Vega's mission was to retrieve data from one of the manuscripts. The archive was not abandoned. It was guarded by dwarfs who called themselves the Adepts of the Ashen Circle of Nullification. Their logic was simple. Knowledge is an error. Memory is a deviation. Anyone who attempts to study the past must be eliminated. Vega did not know this. The protocols did not account for interaction with structures of this kind. He crossed the boundary. That was when it began. They emerged from the rocks, from underground tunnels. The attack was immediate. Vega did not retreat. He calculated the load vectors and initiated movement. The engagement ended quickly. Vega did not destroy them. That was not part of the mission. He simply continued forward through the territory of the circle, straight toward the archive. Later, the dwarfs revised their doctrines. They added a new principle. There are entities that cannot be nullified. Vega recorded the event in the log. Localized hostility, cult, low attack efficiency. Advance continued. On the planet Tal Errum, two completely incompatible forces collided. A society that rejected knowledge, and the embodiment of that knowledge in the form of an android. They collided and continued on their separate paths, like stones carried by a mountain stream. That concluded the incident. Vega departed into space. The dwarfs returned to chanting prayers to their cult, and no one stopped to think about any of it. Perhaps because for that, one must be human.
Shiva.